In this video, we're going to replace our center cap located right on the center of your wheel. Using our 22mm socket, let's loosen and remove our lug nuts. Grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. I'm going to use the back side of a screwdriver here. I'm just going to tap the back side of the center cap, pop that out to the front of the wheel. Let's go ahead and install our wheel. We're going to get our lug nut started. Get these all started by hand. Once we have these all started by hand, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Take the center cap, line that up, and just press it into place. Good, and torque our lug nuts down to 94 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.